Hello my friends, welcome to another functional English video. Today we're going to see another function of present perfect. This is present perfect function number 2. I am going to explain it so you can understand better. Present perfect function number 2. Okay. This is a permanent action that started in the past and continues into the present. It's very common to ask questions in present simple to get information. Example, do you like pizza? Yes, I like pizza. Oh, okay. Do you have a cell phone? Yeah, I have a cell phone. Do you know Chuchito? Yeah, I know Chuchito. Do you live in Chicago? Yeah, I live in Chicago. Are you a student? Yes, I am a student. This is a very common signal word. Well, in this case, phrase. Oh, how long have you liked pizza? How long have you had your cell phone? How long have you known Chuchito? How long have you lived in Chicago? How long have you been a student? It's very common to answer using for or since. Example, I have liked pizza all my life. I have liked pizza for many years. Remember, we use for to indicate number. 4 or 5 years, 4 or 6 years. Okay? I have liked pizza since I was a little boy, since I was in kindergarten, since I was 12 years old, since high school. I have had my cell phone for 3 years, since 2017, for example. I have known Chuchito for 10 years, or since 2010. I have lived in Chicago for many years, or since 2006. Okay? How long have you been with Chuchita? Like a romantic situation? We have been together for, remember, duration, since specific time, or specific day or date. We can also use all my life. I have liked pizza all my life. Or I have liked pizza for many years. I have lived in Chicago all my life. I have lived in Chicago for 5 years or since 2015. Okay, we can also use questions to ask about ability. Can you swim? Yes, I can swim. Oh, okay. How long have you been able? Okay, so I have been able is present perfect, is the can version of present perfect. I can swim. I have been able to swim for many years, since I was a kid or all my life. I have been able to is the can of present perfect, my friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.